Good morning, my name is Marlis Alvarez. Today I will teach you my favorite reading called The Lame and the Blind. In a forest near the city lived two vagabonds. One was blind and the other lame. During the war in the city, they competed with each other. But one night in their nest they burned down all the forest burned. The blind man did not have to see where to run. He could not see where. The fire had not yet spread. The lame man could not even see possibility of escape, but he could not run away either. The fire was too fast. Will shoot the hunting he could not see, for sure was that the moment of death was approached. The two have realized that they need his other. The other man, the blind man, can run, and I could see they forgot all the competitors in the critical moments in which they first did. They forgot all enmity, the crowd agreed, signed they agreed that the blind man would carry the lame on his shoulders, and thus in the bulwark has one man. The lame man could see, and the blind man could run. That's how they saved their life, and because life was naturally saved, they become friends, the less their antagonists. Thank you.